Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an important update for all UiPath Test Manager users. Are you eagerly looking for an update? What it is? The out of the box connected scene Test Manager, which provides seamless integration with ALM tools like Jira, ServiceNow, Azure DevOps, and more, are going to be deprecated very soon. These native integrations have allowed you to synchronize data, streamline testing process, and enhance collaboration. As per the docs of UiPath, the timeline set by the team is September 30th, 2024. It might be fixed or it may extend. What is our next call of action? It's time for an update. Here, your new go for all integrations with UiPath Test Manager Connect. This powerful tool ensures you can connect with a wide range of ALM tools efficiently and securely. With UiPath Test Manager Connect, you can still enjoy seamless data synchronization and streamlined process, but with improved performance and flexibility. While the old connectors will remain for backward compatibility, we highly recommend transitioning of UiPath Test Manager Connect for all new implementations. Remember, for the best experience, integrate your ALM tools exclusively through UiPath Test Manager Connect. It's the future of efficient testing and development integration. Thanks for watching. Hope this video will help you with our next consideration when out of the box connectors depreciate. Going forward, we will try to upload installation and various integration configurations. Are you eager to learn more about the UiPath Test Manager Connect? If yes, please comment on the video below on which integration you are looking. Thank you.